Hey, I'm Brian Van.
And I'm Sophia Van.
And we are here to talk about my darling young daughter's epic two-seat Superbike ride, MotoAmerica, Road America, with my guy, Chris Ulrich. Okay, well, finally, Sophia was old enough to get on the two-seat Superbike ride at MotoAmerica. We did it at Road America a couple weeks back. She has a lot of experience on a snowmobile. You have a little bit of experience on a motorcycle. You like amusement park rides, right? You like a roller coaster. Who doesn't like a roller coaster? When you got on the bike, were you nervous?
No, not really, because I really trusted Chris, because I know that he's done this thousands of times, and yeah, I just was ready to go on it and have fun.
100%. And to be fair, Chris is probably one of the best motorcycle riders in the world when it comes to just, he can ride anything, anywhere, fast and safe. We've all done this. Everyone in the family now has done this except for our oldest daughter, your oldest sister, Kylie. She's the only one who hasn't done it. Mom's done it, and the nervous Nelly is who? Oh, it's Mom.
Mom.
There's some footage we're going to show you here, too. Mom's definitely shitting her pants. There's no doubt about it. Right? That was funny. You're just giggling, and Mom's just nervous. So, on the track, what was your favorite part? You know, because Road America's, I think, your top speed. I think I saw 162.
Yep. My favorite part was probably going through the corners. I thought that was really cool, and I've never experienced anything like that on a motorcycle, really, so I thought that was really cool.
Does that ride leave you with, okay, that was cool, I don't want to do it again, or does that motivate you to want to ride yourself?
Yeah, after going on it, I was definitely very interested in just like riding motorcycles and getting my own. And
we have a Suzuki on the way now. We have a Suzuki GSX 8R. Going to take you for some track days. Precision track days. Mm-hmm. Who's going to be your coach?
Max.
He is best suited to be your coach, no doubt about it. So the straightaway speed for you, the 160 whatever, that was cool, right?
Yeah.
But the corners, and if you watch the footage after this too, we don't want to talk too long and make this video too long. You can see on the exits, you can see the rear wheel. Could you feel the rear wheel sliding a little bit? Because you can see it in the video.
Yeah.
Yeah, Chris is really good. When he gets a good passenger on there, he's able to take it right to that brink where you're just beginning to lose traction a little bit. And like I said, just watch the video. You can see it for yourself. Oh, this shit's about to get real. Look at that.
What? Are you nervous? What are you nervous for, dude?
Oh, Mom's shitting her pants, 100%. Yeah, 100%.
Mom's more nervous than I am.
Are you nervous?
No, not nervous at all.
Don't lie, you're being recorded.
You're being...
Oh, I hear him.
Remember, brace more when she's on the brakes, okay? I love you.
Love you, Sophie girl. Have fun, kiddo.
Crop, do whatever you need.
Brian.
Habanero spicy.
Bring it.
He has no choice.
Awesome. Awesome. Get some.
How was it? Was it awesome?
Were you nervous?
No.
Can Chris ride a motorcycle fast?
Yeah.
Mom, were you nervous?
Yeah, a little bit. Was it fun? Now she has. Did you like it?
Oh, it was fun.
Yeah. Yeah. A lot of adrenaline after that. You need your energy drink?
Motorcycles crossover.
Hell yeah. All right, Mom, take one of Sophia and I'll geared up.